Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, now start coding. Open your editor, create a virtualenv and target a single testable behavior. Write a function stub that names inputs and expected outputs, then add one unit test that fails. This forces you to define logic boundaries. Once done, run the test to see the failure, make small edits until it passes. This first loop, specify, test, implement, keeps your logic grounded and prevents wasted guessing. Now decompose the task into clear steps, map those to functions or loop iterations. For each step, write a focused unit test, implement the smallest workable code, and run it. Use type hints to make data shapes explicit and sprinkle logging at state transitions so you can trace behavior. Once a step passes, compose it with prior pieces. Make sure to refactor only when tests cover the behavior. This avoids breaking logic you just validated. Integrate the components and run the full suite plus real sample inputs. Confirm end-to-end behavior. When you encounter unexpected output, isolate the failing case and create a minimal reproduction test. Use binary search through commits or add prints and logs to bisect where the logic diverges. Once found, fix the smallest faulty module and rerun tests. If problems persist, revert recent refactors, re-examine assumptions, and add a targeted test.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.